Hey guys,
I'm Natalie.
I'm Donnie, and we're gonna do a slime challenge. Who can do slime better? Let's get started. Today what we're gonna need to make slime is glue, contact solution, 2 bottles of shaving cream, and food coloring.
And a bucket. And stir thingy. Which fell for.
Let's start opening the glue. Oh yeah, and so me and Natalie, the colors that we're gonna be doing, I'm doing red and she's doing blue. So let's pour in some glue. Oh my god, this thing's so heavy. Ugh. Okay, so this thing is gonna turn big when we add shaving cream.
Okay, I think that's enough.
Yeah, that's really enough. That's really a lot. So what I'm gonna add in is okay, so I'm gonna add my shaving cream. So, oh no, the shaving cream doesn't work. Okay, I'm using this one.
Okay.
That was a lot.
Where's the key at? Oh yeah, we're seeing who can make the best one. If you didn't say that.
We're making fluffy slime, and this does not work.
Because you're not holding it right. You're
That's good enough. That makes weird noises. I don't have anything. I basically have nothing in my slime.
So you're not doing it right.
Oh yeah. So this thing.
Okay.
See? And then after I'm gonna add my pink. Oh no. My fork's gonna fall. It's gonna sink in. I'm gonna put this right here that way.
I'm gonna put
There you go.
light blue or I'm gonna
Oh my god. My slime.
mine mixed now.
Oh. Mine's mixed perfectly. I just gotta add a lot of this, you know.
Dang it, keeps falling.
Yours keeps falling in. This is turning into slime, except it's more gooey. It's more gooey. Oh my god, this is a lot of slime. And now for the last round.
It's chunky.
It's so big. I haven't played with this big of a slime before.
Okay, I'm using both hands now.
Okay, you are. I'm not going in yet until my slime is perfectly good. This is good enough, I guess. Okay, I'm gonna add a little
It'll
bit.
turn out good.
I'm gonna. Ah! I'm sorry, I got it in her eye. Okay, so basically you should not see any white or anything on the bottom. That makes it like the best slime, you know. And I gotta add like a lot of this so I can get nothing on. Oh yeah, forgot. It's her turn to add. Now, this one don't get it in my eye. She got it in her own eye again. Okay, I'm going in with my hands.
Sloppy.
Oh my god, this feels like the best thing of my life.
That's trash.
Oh, I know it's not. Yours is trash.
I'm not. Yeah.
Oh, this is so big.
Mine is fluffy.
If you keep kneading it, it's gonna turn really good. Oh god, I got my eye.
Oh, in the bucket.
I'm sorry. Oh yes, it's turning into slime. I'm sorry, I can't stop laughing. Okay. I haven't played with this big of enough slime since I played slime. Okay, so how am I gonna get this off? Not to add more. Okay, now I'm just gonna